Hi, this is Nick at DuraLabel. Today we'll be going over the Premade Sign Library inside LabelForge PRO, DuraLabel's easy-to-use sign label design software included with your DuraLabel print system. The Premade Sign Library offers over 3,000 OSHA-compliant templates across 25 categories. Print instantly or customize using our built-in design tools and 2,000 plus symbols for quick, easy label creation. From the homepage of LabelForge PRO, you can access the Premade Sign Library by going to the left-hand side. Click on Premade Signs. You can customize the templates directly or print them as is, but for instance, let's use the search bar to just type in Forklift, and you'll pull up a variety of signs that are related to what you typed in the search bar, all the way from caution, danger, notice signs. We also feature a top rated section that highlights a lot of our most requested signs and labels. We also have other categories like arc flash, electrical safety, first aid, and even machine safety. You'll find that we added an imported category where you can save and quickly access your most frequently used labels too. You'll notice that we recently added a category for the International Maritime Organization signs and labels. This came at the suggestion of one of our customers. We are always looking for ways to make our software more useful to you, so please, if you have recommendations, we'd love to hear them. Please reach out to our DuraLabel support team. No matter the skill level, the process is simple. Search, select, and print. The Premade Sign Library is designed to help jumpstart your labeling projects with ease. If you need further assistance, please take advantage of our free lifetime support by contacting the DuraLabel support team or visiting our knowledge base at DuraLabel.com. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.
Thanks for watching. For further assistance, visit our website and contact our team for your free lifetime support.